My name is Tanvir Hussain. I am currently completing Bachelor of Business Administration from Daffodil International University. I have completed my SSC Dhanmondi Ideal College, GPA 5, and HSC from Khatail Cantonment Public School and College, GPA 5. My hometown is Tangail. Currently, I am living Shabar. My hobby is gaming and writing. If I talk about my skills, I have a strong side in the marketing side. I can easily convince people to buy products. I attend marketing fairs which occur in my university. I assume that a fair university is a big platform. I am trying to improve myself continuously by always staying updated to modern technologies. I coach university. Every business is going online day by day, so they need a website for their business. I am proficient in Adobe. My religion is Islam. Currently, my material status is single. I try to do work perfectly which has given to me, and still every day I am trying to improve myself to do and better. That's about me. Thank you for watching my resume.